work at the Krusty Krab, frying up patties and blabbity blab. Huh?
Ouija!
That's new. Strange place to park a car. What's this for?
You know what they say, all toasters toast toast.
Side.
Carbon dioxide?
I'm pumping it into the atmosphere, boy.
Ouija!
Thanks to global warming, the temperature will soon go through the roof, and then we'll have an endless summer.
Ouija!
Do you want an endless summer, Mr. Krabs?
So I can open my latest money-making venture, the Krusty Pool.
We got a spaghetti!
Sports, Mr. Krabs.
Ah, forget winter, boy. We're talking suntanning, hanging tan, and swimming all year long.
The endless summer does sound fun.
And profitable.
Fun and profit.
We got a Ouija!
Man, I just wish it could be the endless summer right now. Hey!
Oh, umbrellas are $3.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Suddenly got very warm in here.
Gee, it sure burns when I pee.
SpongeBob, what are you doing?
Just throwing another tire on
Ouija!
global warming, Mr. Krabs. Hey, look! It's working! The entire town is...
You know what they say, all toasters toast toast.
Fill the pool, fill the pool.
Aye, sir.
Have your money ready, folks. The line starts here. Where's everybody going?
We're all moving north. We can't live here anymore. It's too hot.
All me customers have moved to cooler climates.
Look on the bright side, Mr. Krabs. There won't be a line to go in the pool. Cannonball!
Whoa! Oh,